Welcome everyone for another video learning bite from ABCLearn Technologies. In this session, we'll try to understand the roles between the data analyst and the data scientist in simplest terminologies possible. Okay, so let's get started. Let's consider for data analyst first. So you have different kind of data coming in for a particular business, and the data analyst, he tries to get the patterns in the data. What does the data means for the business? He tries to get those details by using some techniques like statistics, or he'll be querying the things from the database, and once the data is analyzed, that will be made presented to the business owners so that they can take a business decision. Something like, when we put 20% discount on a product, how the people behaved, whether the sales increased, decreased, etc. So based on that, the business owners will be taking the decisions. So in simple to understand, data analyst will make the data understandable for the business owners. He won't be predicting the future, like if we increase 5% more, these many number of people will be coming. He generally doesn't do that. That generally taken by the business owners, like the marketing managers or the sales managers, etc. Right? Now let's move on with data scientist. So data scientist, now here the data being analyzed by a machine, not by a human. First thing to understand, it is by a machine. So it will be trying to understand and tries to take a business decisions for their customers. For example, now Facebook is a business, okay? For the customers, like you logged in to the Facebook, and based on your past data understanding, it will be suggesting you the feeds. Now consider the same for Amazon. When Amazon presents you with, you might want to see this product also. That's also a business decision taken by a machine. Okay, because it has to be very quick at the decision taking. So it is a process, like again, for that present, how you're responding, based on that it is taking the decision. Okay, now let's ask some questions. Who is analyzing the data here? The machines that we've talked about it. Who is taking the business decisions? That is also taken by the machine itself. Then where does data scientist comes in picture? So the data scientist is the person who teaches the machines how to take human-like decisions. So that's where a data scientist comes into picture. Okay, so here she teaches the machines how to understand the data, how to clean the data, how to propose a new product to the customers. That's what a data scientist does. He is moved away from analyzing the data on his own. Instead, he's teaching to a machine on how to analyze and take the business decision also. Got it? Now that's the fundamental difference between a data analyst and data scientist. So that's it. I hope now it makes a little bit clear between a data scientist and a data analyst. Okay. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. That will be really a lot to us. Thank you so much.